Now I'll be honest, this song is pretty simple to play if you know the guitar basics, so in the next few minutes you're going to have all you need to know to bang out this song and make it your own. Let's make a start. Hey there budding Campfire guitar heroes, it's Dene again and welcome to another one of those forgotten songs we all love to remember. And if you can remember these chords, you're 90% of the way to mastering this song. The song starts on the key of G. Now you're wondering, Dean, what's going on with your finger patterns? Yes, I'm a left-handed guitar player playing on a right-hand strum guitar, which means my chord patterns are upside down to most of you. Don't let that worry you. I'm going to put the chords on the screen there so you can follow along. You've got the same challenge as me, just get your fingers in the right place. Now why would I want to play the guitar upside down? Check out that video there and it will all make sense. Okay, back to the lesson and the chords. The root chord of the song is a G. You can play open G or bar G. It's got an A B flat, a C, a D, you can do a D7 if you wish, and it's got an F. So yes, it's got two dreaded bar chords, the F and the B flat. If you're having problems with bar chords, then check out that video up there. It will unlock the secret to mastering bar chords. Now one last thing, don't forget to download the free song sheet. I do one for every one of my lessons. The link is below from a Patreon page. It's free to download. Check it out there. It's got the chords, the lyrics, everything you need to know how to learn, practice and play this song. Right, let's have a look at the Strumology of this song. We're going to start with the basic strum, muting the strings just so you can hear the pattern. And the basic strum is a down, down, up, up, down, down. It sounds like this. Down, down, up, up, down, down. Now that sounds a little bit robotic and boring, so we're going to throw in a couple more down and up strums like this. So right, let's do a super quick demo on that signature intro riff to the song based around the chord of G. It's exactly the same intro as the song lesson I did last week by the Bee Gees, which is To Love Somebody. Another great song, check that one out, link above. But it's on the key of G, chord of G. Or you could pick it. Smile, an everlasting smile. This smile can bring you near to me, and so on like that. So what am I doing there? It's on the G chord, and all I'm doing on that third fret is moving my finger from the fat E string. I'm moving it up, or for you it'll be down to the A string. So normal G, finger on the A string, third fret, and back. So as I said, you can pick it, arpeggio pick, with a little hammer on that I did there. Or you could just strum it. Smile, an everlasting smile. The smile can bring you near to me. Get the idea? Hey folks, if this sort of music is your thing on guitar, then you'll definitely want to check out my new songbook. It features the best songs from all of my YouTube tutorials in the first year. All of them sound great around a campfire, so check out the link in the description below and you will have an instant song repertoire. So some poll way back in the day rated this the 4th best Bee Gees song of all time. Now I actually don't know if that's a good or a bad thing, because normally when you're 4th you get no medals or anything. but when you consider the repertoire of the Bee Gees, fourth is pretty good. Anyway, speaking of Bee Gees catalogues, I am doing a series of Bee Gees songs, so if you like this style of music, check out the link above. That is my personal favourite Bee Gees song, but funnily enough, it's not the Bee Gees version that I truly love. Anyway, Words was released way back in 1968, which makes it same age as me. It hit number 1 in Canada, the Netherlands and Germany, and number 8 in the UK and number 15 in the US Billboard. So it was a reasonable success. The inspiration behind the song was actually an argument between the brothers Barry and Robin. They were in a pretty foul mood one day and words were said and then they went away, and as you do as a musician, you know, how do you express your feelings? They put it into a song and the result is this beautiful, beautiful song. And what Bee Gees song would not be eventually covered by someone else? It was done by Rita Coolidge about 10 years later. And then back in, when was it, 1996, UK boy band Boyzone put out a cover and that went straight to number 1. So despite its success, it got a scathing review from a very credentialed music magazine at the time. Let me read this out to you because it's just too good not to. Just when everyone had readied themselves for the Boyzone's ascent to mega stardom, they go and release their worst single to date. It will still be a massive hit, but the cover of the Bee Gees' 1968 hit is terribly uninspired. Wow, how would you be seeing that review? Vocals are sung beautifully by Barry Good, but trust me, he makes it look super, super easy. For me, I found that a very challenging part of the song, which got me thinking about the vocal ability of the song. So going back to my patented Patreon vocal ability rating system, I'd definitely give this one at least a busker level rating. Now speaking of vocalastics, I do a cover version of the song, but remember, every time I cover a song, YouTube hits me with a copyright strike, which means I'll never get any revenue for this video ever. So if you've gotten this far and enjoyed the video, then return the karma, give me a like, give me a subscribe, and stay in touch with my weekly guitar lessons. Right, let's make a start with a cover. Thanks for watching, folks, and I'll see you next week with another one of those forgotten songs we all love to remember. Smile, an everlasting smile. The smile can bring you near to me. Don't ever let me find you're gone, 'cause that would bring a tear to me. This world has lost its glory. Let's start a brand new story now, my love. Right now, there'll be no other time, and I can show you how, my love. Talk in everlasting words and dedicate them all to me, and I will give you all my life, and I'm here should you call to me. You think that I don't even mean a single word I say. It's only words, words are all I have to take your heart away. La 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 la. La 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 la. You think that I don't even mean a single word I say. It's only words, words are all I have to take your heart away. It's only words, words are all I have to take your heart away. It's only words, words are all I have to take your heart away.